So adding on to that, I'd forgotten that structures are considered just stationary units. So if you want to change uh, a structure, right? We have the command post. I'm going to add that in. We're going to jump back into this, and we're going to look at the pre-placed name. It is HQ Tier 1, so we can search. We can search here ID for HQ Tier 1, and we can grab that. And essentially, right, we're going to pull this out. Scroll all the way down here to this one, and we're going to create hq.json. Naming doesn't matter. At least for this tutorial. What I would do is name it however you'd like, right? Like if you're worried about a future patch breaking it, I would name it like game for, I don't know if I would like prepend it. I would like put something in front of it, like GF for game friend HQ Tier 1, and then you could name the file like that. That's how I would do it if I were to maintain it long term. But anyways, so a structure, right? So this is HQ Tier 1, this is a command post, is just like I said, a stationary unit. So it's the underlying data type is unit data. The important part here is if you wanted to change, if you wanted to make workers spawn instantly, you can see that that you'd want to change HQ spawn, the ability, because that's you can infer that from the worker button. Servos internally are called workers, and the command post is called HQ. So if you look at the ability HQ spawn, we can copy that over. Call it whatever you want. That's not JSON, that's SJON. So this is HQ spawn. Actually, I am going to name it GF HQ spawn just because that's what we're doing here. That's the naming scheme. Jump back into HQ Tier 1, and we're going to replace that ability. So we have our own command post, this file, and we have our own version of creating servos. So it's going to spawn workers, right? But if we want, let's say we want it to happen, if we want charges to come back instantly, we can change this. I'm guessing here because I haven't actually changed this myself, but max count 1, starting count 1. If we make the duration 0, like it recharges instantly, you should just have infinite charges. And so let's actually, so we have to go into pre-placed name objects, and we do have to change this unit out, right? And then it's okay to just jump back into test map. And essentially, right, as long as you have money to create workers, you should be able to. Oh, sorry, this one. This is the one that you get from spawning in. This is the. Oh, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Okay, well, we're gonna figure that out. Why didn't that work? I don't want to have to edit this. Ah, okay. Right, so you have to change the command list. So this is what actually shows up in the command card, right, in the bottom of your screen in the UI. The ability list, the unit actually has to be able to cast the ability as well. So you have to change it in 2 places, the command card and the ability list. And that almost definitely should fix it. And the reason being that, units can have abilities, they can use abilities that aren't activated by the control card. Like if you wanted to. Oh, that didn't work. What did I set this to? I said it's 0. Maybe it should be like. Wait, that's weird. How does this work? So Why? Why? Why doesn't this work? Recharge duration is 0. I guess we could make it really fast. We could make it 0.01. And that would work. But 0, I guess, means... I would think it should be set to a negative number for it to never recharge. And recharge duration 0 should be instant recharge. But I guess that's how it is. But JXP is here to talk to us. So we're out of money now. But that's how it is, right? That's how you get... That's how I would do it to make charges instant, and that, I think, is the tutorial.